In this guide, I will show with you how to contact G2A support team step by step. Go to Google and search for G2A, this keyword, and click the official website here. After that, you will see this page here. From here, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Let's see this contact option here. You can see here, contact, click on the contact option, and then you will see this page from here. If you want to contact guys, you have just like forum here, support. You have also support hub for buyers and for sellers. From here, the buyers guys, write your first name and write your last name and write your business email, and then choose a department to contact. For example, you have a G2A or marketing partnership, and then write your request messaging here. If you have a contact for G2A Academy, click here, and you have sales partnership, click here. This is the first one. And also guys, you can contact through email support. You find the email on the down here, and you can contact through email. This is how you can do guys to contact G2A. Just choose this one from here, department, and write your request guys, your message. For example, request message. I hope this guide helpful for you friends. Don't forget, give me a like and share this video for more content. And you have support option here. Also, you can choose any service you want. You have a lot of articles. You can also read, choose this one from here and your problem. Thanks for watching this video.